Alright, what's up guys, how you doing? This is Ryan Forrest. This is my first YouTube video under this channel. I've had previous YouTube channels before, but I'm starting off new here with not as quite a cheesy name or anything. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download and be accessible to mods on Civilization 5 if you're on a Mac, like myself. I'm on a MacBook Pro, and I've played Civ for Civilization 5, since it came out, and us Mac players have never had the option to use mods. Well, I have found a way to do so. You're going to need, obviously, three things, and one is a mod itself. So, you're going to go to civfanatics.com. On our home page, there's going to be a tab on the left called General. It's going to be called Downloads. Click on that. Scroll down, and it's going to look like this. And the first thing you're going to see is Civilization 5 downloads. Click on that, and the first thing you're going to see is Civ 5 mod packs. And from there, this is what it looks like. You can download obviously any mod you'd want to. I only downloaded one so far, unable to, put into action or anything because of time constraints, but but I got the text editor one last minute, edit the map and all that cool stuff. So second, you're actually going to have to make the mods button even applicable and featured on your Civ 5 menu, which we obviously don't get that regularly. So that's going to be pretty simple. You're going to have to go through a lot of files just to get to it, but after that it's smooth sailing. So let's go and get started. You're going to go to your profile and go to library. From there, you're going to click on application support. There, you're going to scroll down and click Steam, and Steam apps, then to common, then you see Civ 5. From there, you're going to see this menu. You're going to double click on the Civ 5 icon and go to show package contents. There, this will come up, and you click on contents. There, you'll go to resources, or excuse me, not resources, home. From home, you go to assets. Assets, you will see UI. In the UI, you go to front end. You'll scroll down, you'll see one that says main menu.lua. Now, you're going to have to right click and open it with some kind of text editor. But most Macs, I believe now, come with text edit, which will allow you to view this. To find where you want to go, it's not going to be that far. You're just going to scroll down just a little bit until you see controls.mods button. And if you can't find it, just simply press Command F. And sorry, this one will come up, and you can search controls.mods, and you see it right there. As you can see, mine has two hyphens in front of it. Yours does not. Well, that's the fix. It's pretty simple. You just click out in front of controls, type out two hyphens with no spaces between those two hyphens. You'll put a space between the C and control and that last hyphen. And well, that makes the mods button appear on Civ 5. Pretty simple, right? But now we have to figure out how to put the mods in Civ. So, that's our next step. If you left the Civ 5 folder open, it's pretty simple. Instead of clicking on that and going to show package contents, you will see, excuse me, sorry, this is completely different. So you're going to want to search for your Aspire folder, which is right here. Mine just happens to be in my documents, and obviously there's nothing else there. If you can't, just go in your Spotlight and search Aspire, and then you'll just click on that, and then you see Civ 5, and you see a huge capital all caps folder called mods, and you go in there and see there's my folder. Now to put that in there is pretty simple. You're gonna have to download, if not already, which most people already have this downloaded by now. I'm not sure unless you just got a Mac today or something. You have to download some kind of unarchiver that can unzip .zip files. there's two. You know, there's actually Unarchiver, and then there's Stuff at Expander. Both are free. You can get either one, um, but you should already have that on your computer. So once you download them on, it will come as a .zip file, and you'll have to unarchive it. And there it'll come up with a folder, and you simply just drag the folder into the mods folder. If you want to, if it's just a map, you can unarchive it, and I don't know if it comes up with a folder, if it'll just be a mod map, something along those lines, like map mod or Civ 5 map or something. Just drag that into there, or if it's a Civ or something, I don't know. But just to play it safe, I just put the whole folder in there. Now I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all said and done. So as you see, my Civ 5 has loaded. By the way, this is under the most recent expansion, Brave New World, which I didn't mention. I don't know if that matters to anybody. It shouldn't change anything if you don't have Brave New World or Gods and Kings or whatever. I do believe this process is a little different if you have downloaded it under the App Store instead of Steam, but if it isn't, that's great. And once you say click continue, the mods feature is there under the main menu. You click on it, and it gives you this little terms and agreement type thing, this little disclaimer, and you press accept. And as you can see, you can enable your mods through this green check, or you can look at it and see what it does, and see if it's available. See, you can also, it tells you, if it's available on multiplayer or whatever. It does say get mods, and I have not played with this, so I don't know if it works or not. I don't think it does, but there you go. And that's how you get mods onto Civ 5 on the Mac. This is Ryan Fargus here. I hope you appreciate the video, and I hope it worked for you. And I'll catch you guys later.